Hey there, investors and health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Wealth Wave. Our focus today is NOSA Plugs, a Swedish medical technology firm that's revolutionizing nasal health. They're at the forefront of intranasal innovation, developing products that enhance the quality of life through improved nasal breathing. We'll be delving into their story, their groundbreaking products, and why they're making waves in the health tech industry. If you're ready to explore the world of NOSA plugs and the potential financial gains, stick around because this investment could be a game changer. NOSA is a Swedish medical technology company dedicated to intranasal innovation. We're committed to enhancing quality of life through improved nasal breathing. From the bustling streets of Stockholm, we've set out on a mission to address issues related to breathing and the olfactory system. We tackle problems from bad odors and infections to allergies and smell disorders, all with the goal of making every breath a breath of fresh air. In March of 2023, we took a significant leap forward. We were listed on Nasdaq First North Stockholm, a testament to our growth, innovation, and commitment to improving nasal health. But we didn't stop there. We expanded our reach and our influence by becoming the parent company of two subsidiaries, NOSA Option AB and NOSA Option Inc. Through these ventures, we continue to breathe new life into the world of nasal health and wellness. NOSA Plugs AB is the parent company of NOSA Option AB and NOSA Option Inc. Well, we take pride in our innovation. That's the mantra that fuels NOSA Plugs. We don't simply manufacture nasal health products, we create solutions. Solutions that have revolutionized nasal health and hygiene. From launching the world's first discreet nasal protection against bad odors to consistently expanding our portfolio with groundbreaking innovations, we continue to lead the charge in intranasal technology. Our commitment to innovation is only matched by our dedication to quality. We understand that the trust of our users and investors hinges on the reliability and efficacy of our products. Therefore, we adhere to a stringent product development process, collaborating with industry experts and knowledgeable third parties. This ensures that every product we create meets the highest standards of safety, functionality, and quality. And we don't just claim to be the best, we have the credentials to back it up. Our products are patented and meet ISO standards, guaranteeing top-notch quality. So with NOSA Plugs, you're not just investing in a company, you're investing in a promise of innovation and quality. Explore our product portfolio, an array of innovative solutions tailored to enhance your nasal health. Our offerings are not just products, but gateways to improved quality of life. The crown jewel of our portfolio is the NOSA Plug, the world's first discreet nasal protection against offensive odors. This simple yet effective device is a boon for professionals working in environments with strong smells. Venturing beyond the realm of odor protection, we've developed NOSA allergy filters. These handy tools filter out allergens, enabling users to breathe easy regardless of the pollen count. For those in the medical field, we offer NOSA Microbial Control, a product developed in the wake of the global pandemic, designed to filter out harmful microbes. But our innovation doesn't stop at filtering. We've also crafted a smell training kit to help those experiencing smell disorders. This kit is an effective tool to enhance your olfactory senses, providing a unique solution to an often overlooked problem. At NOSA, we believe in the power of choice. We've designed our products to be as discreet as possible, ensuring you can breathe easy without drawing attention. Our products are patented, ensuring our innovations stay unique, and they're also easy to breathe through, ensuring user comfort. Let's journey together towards better nasal health and improved quality of life. As an investor, consider the potential growth and impact of NOSA Plugs in the health tech industry. This company is poised for significant expansion, with its patented products already making waves in the realm of nasal health. NOSA Plugs has a clear vision for the future, with an ambition to revolutionize the way we perceive and maintain nasal health. They're not just creating products, they're creating a new category in the health tech industry. This forward-thinking approach is a testament to the company's innovative spirit and its commitment to pioneering new solutions for everyday health concerns. The company's upcoming projects are equally promising, with the NHS in the UK showing interest, and developments in drug delivery on the horizon, these could be major catalysts for growth. Furthermore, NOSA plugs has secured patents in Europe and China, paving the way for potential global expansion. Upcoming product launches in France and Spain underline the company's ambition to reach new markets and diversify its consumer base. Investing in NOSA plugs is not just about financial returns, it's about being part of a journey to revolutionize the health tech industry and improve quality of life on a global scale. Don't miss out on potential financial gains with NOSA plugs.